Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to migrate from Moltbot, Clawdbot to OpenClaw. All right, let's begin. To easily migrate from Moltbot or Clawdbot to the latest OpenClaw version, you can use the terminal or your existing chat app. For the terminal method, load your terminal and paste the migration command, which I have provided in the comments below. Press enter to initiate the process. This will fetch the latest OpenClaw version and run the OpenClaw doctor to verify your system's compatibility. This step may take a few minutes before automatically launching the setup wizard to finalize your update. Alternatively, if you already have a chat app like Telegram configured, simply open your chat with the bot and send a message to initiate the process. The bot will automatically handle the migration for you once prompted. This transition is seamless, ensuring your previous settings are updated to the rebranded OpenClaw system without losing your data. Once the setup wizard or bot confirms the update, you are ready to use all the new features and improvements. So that's basically how you can migrate from Moltbot, Clawdbot to OpenClaw. That's it for this video. Thanks.